Vidyalankar is not just a name. It is a tradition of excellence. Here, reliability and dedication towards students go hand in hand. Dedication and commitment to shape future generations is the driving force behind Vidyalankar. The journey of Vidyalankar started with its founder, Chandrasekhar Sadashiv Deshpande. Born in a small town Fulton of Satara district on 19th May 1932, C.S. Deshpande completed his education under extremely difficult financial conditions. C.S. Deshpande went on to complete his Inter-Science examination in 1950 from the Wellington College, Sangli. He not only stood first in Inter-Science but also won the all university prizes and scholarships in all the subjects. After completing his BE in Electronics and Telecommunications from the College of Engineering, Pune, he joined the prestigious TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, in 1953 as a research scholar in Nuclear Particle Accelerator section. The research scholar applied himself to the job, but he had always also believed that in order to bring out one's best, one needed to be happy in one's job, and Chandrasekhar was certainly not happy at the TIFR. He realized that his intrinsic interest was in the field of teaching and writing mathematics. He made yet another attempt in the hope of happiness. He appeared for the All India Engineering Services examination. Not surprisingly, he secured the first rank in this All India competitive examination. He was posted in the Indian Railway Service of Engineers as a Class 1 gazetted officer and worked in the railway electrification project at Kolkata for a few years. But alas, his restlessness and misery persisted, and he continued to miss his mathematics. He decided to follow his heart. He did take the unconventional decision of resigning from the IRSE to return to Mumbai to start his own academic institute. On the auspicious day of Dasara in October 1960, he made a modest beginning by launching his own AMIE classes. His philosophy was reflected in choosing the name for his institute, Vidyalankar. Vidyalankar was meant to be a place of learning where knowledge was considered the sole ornament to adorn or beautify a person. Vidyalankar started functioning in the rented classroom of Shardashram School of Dadar. Finally, in 1974, it arrived at Pearl Center, its present premises in Dadar. Thus, the basic objective of establishing Vidyalankar was neither commercial nor merely to earn a livelihood. The driving force was to satisfy the inner urge of dedicating oneself to academic pursuit. Passion was to guide the eager young students with a missionary zeal. Goal was to enhance their worthiness and imbibe the nobler values of life in their receptive minds, not by merely empty words, but by setting one's own example. While chasing his dream, C.S. Deshpande was not alone. His wife, Sanjeevani, was there with him all along. She was closely associated with Vidyalankar right from its inception. Vidyalankar was life for Chandrasekhar Deshpande. He was doing what he truly enjoyed. He would himself teach multiple subjects and work 7 days a week without any holidays. He firmly believed in work is worship. In 1985, Vishwas, son of Chandrasekhar Deshpande, secured a high merit rank in the HSC exam of Standard 12 and was first in the merit list of engineering admissions of the VJTI. After completing his BE in first class in 1989, he proceeded to USA for higher studies. In 1992, he returned from the University of Maryland, USA, and joined Vidyalankar. Vidyalankar was still a small class with about 6 classrooms and 9 employees at that time. Chandrasekhar and Vishwas worked as a team and strategized the growth plan of Vidyalankar. It was the beautiful partnership between them which put the institute on a dream run, which is going full throttle every day. Every year saw substantial growth with respect to setting up new centers, appointing qualified personnel, setting up systems. Vidyalankar's journey continued with full steam. From a single classroom set up in 1960, Vidyalankar today runs multiple centers spread across Mumbai and is now expanding to the whole of Maharashtra. The number of classrooms has gone up to 175 and they handle about 500,000 students annually. Employee strength has risen to 700. Vidyalankar is a big family with a dream to set up one's own engineering degree college. Vidyalankar applied to the government in 1998. This dream became a reality in 1999. In 2002, 2 more colleges were set up, namely Vidyalankar Polytechnic and Vidyalankar School of Information Technology. In 2003, Vidyalankar started constructing a college building. Vidyalankar wanted to build something remarkable. The college building had to express the will of the institution to progress in a progressive environment and to build a campus that best embodies its cherished values. The growth of Vidyalankar is now being carried forward by the next generation. Vishwas Deshpande and his wife Namrata, sister Rashmi and Avinash all are highly qualified and educated in top schools in India and US. Vidyalankar's current activities include coaching for 11th, 12th, engineering degree, engineering diploma, coaching for the competitive exams like IIT, JEE, MHT, CET, GATE, CAT, CET, and running government-approved colleges for engineering degrees, diploma, science, commerce, and management. Once a small seed, Vidyalankar has now become a sprawling tree, embracing several generations and putting them on the right path. Students of Vidyalankar have made their mark across the globe. Over the years, Vidyalankar has grown not only in numbers, but also in quality of education. What has remained unchanged are its core values. Passion to mold young generation for a better India has become even stronger as the years pass by.